Hello everyone. Today we will learn how to set user permission for the sales department. The user permission document is already available, so please read it first. Now let's start with setting company-wide permission for the various sales user. So go to the user list. Let's check the login user. Let's check the role for the login user. It's a system manager. I already created a sales user. Let's check the role. It's defined the limited role. I login with the sales user with the another browser. Let's check the user. Now go to the admin user browser. Go to the company doc type. Here you can see the all company shows properly. Also check with the sales user so all companies show properly. Now we set the few company restriction for the sales user. So we have to create the user permission for the sales user. Select the company. Enter the company. Save it. Reload the page. Here you can see the permission is applied and user can only view the one company. Let's create the another permission for the another company. Just duplicate it. Select the demo company and save it. Reload the page in the sales user browser. So now showing the two company. Set it default and save it. Reload the page in the sales user browser. Let's create the sales order and check the default company. So here you can see the demo company is set as a default in the transaction. Remove the default from the demo company and set it default in the another company. Reload the page in the sales user browser so default company is changed in the transaction. You can also set the default company user wise. So go to the session default and set the company. Reload the page and check it in the transaction. So it's not coming because we already set it default in the user permission. So we have to remove the default option and save it. Reload the page in sales user browser so it's coming properly according to the session default. Now we have to explore the future of hide descendant. So first we have to delete the all user permission. Let's create the new user permission. Hide descendant visible when the value allow could be doctype with a preview. Will be have a record with the parent child relationship. Select it. Open the company doctype. Here you can see the group company is the parents company. Demo and another company are the child company of the group company. Here hide descendant is enabled. When enabled, then only show the parents company, not a child company. So save it and check it in the sales user browser. So only show the parents company, not a child company. When remove the high descendant, save it, reload the page in the sales user browser. So parents and child company is coming properly. Now exploring the different scenario, like the user can only see that lead if a user is a lead owner. So we have to create the user permission for the TAD user. Here you can see the sales user can see the all lead because we did not set the user permission for that. So let's create the user permission. Save it. Reload the sales user browser. So here you can see the user can only see the on lead. Same thing apply for the whole doc type. So also permission apply to the opportunity doc type. You can also check the restriction of the user. We can check with the admin user. So total are eight opportunities there, but sales user can only see the 5 opportunity. We check with the admin user to the total are 12 lead, but sales user can see the only one lead. Now we have to explain the ignore user permission on the certain field and how it works. When take the ignore permission, first we have to take the ignore permission, then user permission will be removed from the that field. Let's go to the sales user browser and reload the page. So here you can see now sales user can see the all lead because we take the ignore permission, but user permission not removed from the opportunity doc type. So if you want to remove the user permission for the particular field, then you have to take the ignore user permission. Save it. Select the ignore permission for the opportunity doc type. Here you can see that now sales user can see that all opportunities. Let's remove the ignore permission for the opportunity doc type. Reload the page. So permission is applied. Let's take another scenario, like sometimes clients need like user only see the XYZ territory. For that use case, we have to create the new user permission on the territory and set the territory that you want. Reload the sales user browser. So now user will be able to see the territory to which the permission has been applied, and that user also check the non-territory lead. Let's define the some territory in lead from the admin user. We have to check territory is not set. We have to update the territory just India, update the record. Let's reload the sales user browser and check the lead, so user can only see the only India territory lead. Let's change the territory from the admin user to a lead. Check it in the sales user, so one lead is gone. It will be also apply to the whole doc type link, that link with the territory. Let's change the change or add territory from the customer. For the testing, we have to select the one customer and set the territory like all territory. Load the page. The one customer is gone from the sales user. Let's take another scenario, like sometime clients need like user who can only see the XYZ customer group. For that case, we have to create a new user permission on the customer group. So select the user, customer group, select customer group, set the value commercial, save, reload the sales user browser. So now user can see the commercial customer group and non-assigned customer group related customer. Facing the error because I assigned the many user to that customer for the portal access. So you have to delete the customer group permission. Reload the sales user browser. Now user can see only the India territory related customer. Let's take another scenario, like clients need the user who can only see the XYZ salesperson. For that case, we have to create a new user permission for the salesperson. Select the salesperson, and salesperson is a tree view doc type, so you can also use the hide descendant feature for the sales team. Let's set the salesperson tree view. Reload the sales user page, so user will be able to see the many user as they are within the sales team. Just duplicate it. You can also same thing apply for the sales partner. Go to the sales order. For the testing, create a new transaction. Select the customer. Oh, facing the error. I told you before, I assigned the many user in that customer for the portal access. So we have to remove the user permission for the user doc type. Otherwise, you can also remove the portal user from the customer. Now we delete the user permission for the user doc type. Just delete it. Now go to the sales order, select the customer. So another issue, we have to give the account user or account manager role. Go to the user list. We have to add the role account user and account manager. Also we have to give the permission for the item, so we have to select the item manager role. Select the customer, select the delivery date, change the, you can also change the company, select the item and save the sales order. Oh, we have to set the source warehouse, save it. You can also check the restriction. Go to the sales order. We check with the admin user that there are total 25 sales order, but sales user can only 18 sales order. You can test in the different scenario by applying the user permission in the same way. So thanks for the watching this video.